Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your iPhone running low or are certain apps not performing well? Clearing the app cache can help. Today I'll show you how to do that. Let's get started. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Here you will see a list of all your apps and how much space they are using. Find the app you want to clear the cache for and tap on it. Tap Offload App. This will free up space and storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. To reinstall the app, simply tap Reinstall App. If offloading doesn't work, you can delete the app by tapping Delete App, then reinstall it from the App Store. This will clear up the cache and any other temporary data. And that's it guys, you've successfully cleared the app cache on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, subscribe and give us hints of more tips you want to see. See you next time and bye bye.